You're given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Alright, so it looks like we've got the number 342 plus 465 equals 807. And I imagine I want to return 708, or maybe just, yes, 708. Okay, so I think the plan will be to get the do I want to use a queue here? Traverse linked list. No, I want to use a stack. Adding the numbers of each node to a stack. When the linked list is fully traversed, I want to pop the stack into a list. Then I will join the list and convert to integer. Add the numbers. Add the numbers to a list. Then reverse the list. And add the reversed list to a linked list. I imagine this isn't the best way to go about it, but I actually haven't had to use linked lists in quite some time, so I'm going to quickly how to traverse. List1.val, list1.nextVal. 2, 4. So it looks like I print L1.val, I should get the number 2. I print, I wonder what happens if I do .next.val. That's a bit strange. Non-type object has no attribute val. Right, gotcha. So I want to go ls.append l1.val, and then I want to do ls2.append l2.val, ls1 equals ls2 equals I in range 1 to len of L1, ls1.append as an underscore, ls1.append l1.next.val, and I want to do the same for L2. And then I want to check if this method is actually working, because I actually haven't worked with linked lists in quite some time. Object of type list node has no length. That's not what you like to see. Alright. For L in list 1, print L. That doesn't look right. Alright, I need to figure out how do I get a linked list into a list. Linked list, add elements to stack. Python. Okay. Linked, what is it called here? Python methods. Port optional. None, return none. Ah. .val equals val, self.next equals next. Alright, let's give this another go, using this as some help. While n is not none, I think n is probably our list. ls1 equals this, and let's just give it a look. This one becomes L1, L1. Let's see if this works. 2, 4, 3. Alright, now we are cooking. Hopefully the time complexity of this is all good, but it's better than what I had 5 minutes ago. So we want to give L2, LS2, L2. And this should be good now. 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Right. So I wonder if it would be okay to just reverse this first into a list. LS2, LS2. num1 equals int dot join ls1, num2 equals int dot join ls2, do num1 plus answer equals num1 plus num2. Check that everything is working. Expected string int found. What is going on here? That's what I want. Why is this not working? Print dot join ls1. Item 0. The list has integers in it. Strings. Concatenate integers in list. What's going on with this? Okay, this should work. If I just num1 string n in ls1. Get rid of that. Hopefully this works. ls2 answer equals num1 plus num2. Run that. I'm hoping I get 807. That's not good. Int plus an int 807, please. Perfect. Now I need a new list node that I push. Okay, so I want to reverse this actually. But maybe I can just iterate over it backwards. Reverse an integer Python. This is what I'm looking for. On that 708, I hope. answer, run that. Okay, so we got it reversed. Now, I think we just need to create a list node where self.val is equal to 7, and then we call self.next twice for the next for the next few numbers. So we want to do list underscore answer as a list, and then we want to add each of these numbers to the list. For I in answer, so dot append I. For I in range 1 to len of answer. Here I think we can just straight up take the strings, turn it into the new list node, and then just return that. Don't really know how to just return, how to create this though. Answer underscore list equals new list node. Should error, right? Instantiate list node Python. Right. I want the first to be integer, answer 0. Dot next will equal I'm not sure if this will work. I might have to set the current value as well. Why doesn't this work? Valid syntax. List node. List node of I. Give this a crack. Answer x equals list node I. $708. Do this as int I. Perfect. And what if I just return x? Output. Awesome. Can I not do x equals this node int of answer 0? X dot next. If we just go like this. Alright, we're almost there. For I in range 1 to len of answer, go like x dot val equals x dot next, x dot val answer int of answer I. See what this looks like. So now I'm just trying to get our number into a list node form. Current value, next value. Let's see what's happening inside this loop. Got 7, and then it goes to next is none, and then we have val 0, next is none. Just need to have x dot next equals x equals answer 1. What would this look like? Hopefully I want it to say 7 then 0. That is not what I want it to say. Int. Int object has no attribute next. Dot val equals x dot next. X dot val equals answer 1. don't understand. I do not understand. I'll put 0. 708. X in 517 ahead. Seven one five. So this reverses it for me. What if I went like this? Is this head? What I want. Alright, awesome. It's none. It's next equals head. Next equals head. Alright, cool. That works. Not so great on the runtime, but not so bad on the memory.